Guys, it's time to see some aeroplanes. Yeah, some aeroplanes. And we're going. And we're here in the airport. Yeah, we're in the airport. Yeah, and I'm gonna show you. And there is there is a aeroplane. Look at that. I don't know what's that. I see the com there. Yeah, there's a com there. Yeah, there's a com. Whoa, that's so cool. Even, I think, bro, look at that, guys. Okay, let's go there. Oh my God, over there is a aeroplane. There is a aeroplane. Look at that. There is a aeroplane in Asia. Look at that. Woo-hoo! Look at that, guys. Look at that. There's an Asia. Bro, that's so cool. And even, bro, there is. Bro, look at that thing. Yeah, look at that. Bro, look at. It's an aeroplane, bro. I don't know what is aeroplane that. Okay, we're gonna wait for aeroplane to landing again. And we got the first aeroplane landing is Asia. Okay, let's go here. Okay, look at that. There is the aeroplane. Comment down below with what aeroplane is this. Okay, stop. Wow, that airplane was so big. Okay, that airplane was very big. Okay, we're gonna wait for another airplane go to there. Yeah. Bro, that aeroplane was so big. It even has a, oh, what's that? Bro, I think it's gonna take off. Yeah, I think it's about to take off. Yeah, about to take off. It's about to take off. Let's see if it's gonna take off. Okay, I think it's gonna take off. And I don't know. Okay, we're gonna wait for a plane. We go landing there. Where is the aeroplane now? Okay, and I don't know. Can we go there into the road? Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, and where is the aeroplane? Okay, we're going. Bro, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it, bro? Bro, where is it? Oh yeah, I don't know where is it. Yeah, let's go far away. Yeah, let's go far away. Yeah, we're gonna wait for another aeroplane. Yeah, okay. And I don't know, can we go to the wall over there? Yeah, and I don't know. Yeah, I'm a subscriber. Yes, and I love airplanes. And that's the end. That's the end of exploring things. Okay, and so goodbye, guys, and like and subscribe. Okay, see you later. Watch part 2.